Alright, so imagine this. You wake up, you're rushing to get ready, maybe you're on your way to work or the gym or something like that, and you realize that your hair is just not looking that great. Whether it's too flat or it's too oily or you're just not getting the style you want there. You need something fast, quick, and easy when you're in a rush and you're trying to get to work on time or do anything that you have to do throughout the day. That is where sea salt spray comes in. So today is going to be a very quick little demonstration video about how to use sea salt spray, what sea salt spray is, what's in it, how it works, and how you can use it to clean your hair and give some life to your hair before you start your day. Hey guys, my name is Austin for Volt Life Proof Grooming, and today I'm going to be showing you how I use sea salt spray in my own hair. I kind of bit the bullet for you guys and put a hat on for a while. Did nothing to my hair this morning, so it's really flat. Just toss this hat over there. So if I get close up to the camera right here, you're going to see my hair is kind of all over the place. It's really pretty flat. There's not much volume going on. A lot of the hair in the back here is just kind of going wherever it wants to. We're gonna control that, give some texture and volume to my hair with sea salt spray today. So first of all, what is sea salt spray and what does it do? So sea salt spray is a hair grooming product that's supposed to give your hair some texture, some volume, and a light hold. And it does this by using salt, which actively attracts water molecules to make your hair appear more rigid, a little more structured, and even kind of gritty in a way. If you've ever just gotten out of the surf from the beach or something like that and your hair dries a little bit, that's exactly what we're talking about. And people generally really love that natural beach hair kind of look. And that's what sea salt spray helps you get. Now you may just think salt and water is the only way sea salt spray is really made, and although those are obviously the two main ingredients, you have to be very careful when you're using just salt and water. Salt and water alone is just going to dry your hair out because the salt pulls away the water from your hair, and although that kind of effect has to happen a little bit for you to get the benefits of sea salt spray, the problem is when you can't manage the amount of moisture in your hair because the salt pulls away too much of it. That's when that becomes a problem. So without a lot of the other additives that you're gonna find in a lot of high quality sea salt sprays out there, your hair is gonna get a little too dry and even possibly damaged. And that's why a lot of higher quality sea salt sprays will actually include a lot of ingredients like sea kelp, which is a moisturizer, or kaolin, which helps clean and fortify your hair, or even things like activated charcoal, which helps exfoliate, clean, and pulls toxins from your hair, and pretty much helps sea salt spray act like a dry shampoo of sorts. All of these things combine together to make sure that the sea salt spray, well, at least a high quality sea salt spray, is going to be healthy for your hair and help manage the hydration in your hair while giving you that kind of effect that you're looking for without completely dehydrating your hair. So now that we've talked a little bit about what is in sea salt spray itself and what it does for you, I'm going to show you right now exactly how I use sea salt spray for my own hair. Now there are really three main steps that are super easy for using sea salt spray. So the first step in using sea salt spray and getting all the benefits and advantages of it is to apply the sea salt spray liberally to your hair. The longer your hair, obviously, the more spray you're gonna have to use, but just make sure that your hair is not dripping or soaked in this stuff. You just need a light kind of a damp hair. The next step you're gonna want to do is just take your fingers, put your sea salt spray down. You're pretty much done with it. Take your fingers and just run them through your hair a little bit and try to find a style that you like. The sea salt spray is gonna be a little bit wet. It's not gonna be as voluminous as it will be when it dries, but don't let that trip you out. When it dries, it'll probably dry in a very similar way to the way you have it styled when it's wet. And step 3 is you literally just wait for your hair to dry. And once it is dry, take a look at it in the mirror and you can actually move it around because sea salt spray provides a light hold, and that hold really doesn't go away. You can still restyle it throughout the day. And if you need to get a little bit more technical on the restyling, maybe something just won't lay right or something like that, all you have to do is run your hands under some water and then you can reactivate that area of the sea salt spray in your hair just by sweeping your hands through your hair in that area when you have the water on it, and it'll reactivate and you can restyle it that way before it dries again. And there you guys have it. In less than a few minutes, you're pretty much ready to tackle your day or whatever you have to do. And now your hair is looking good. You've got some volume, some texture, and some hold, so it's not gonna run out of place or anything like that. So keep in mind that the sea salt spray I used today is Volt's Surf Salt Spray. This is the tiny 1 ounce bottle. It also comes in a 4 ounce bottle, which I should probably get because I use it all the time. But something like this is perfect for your gym bag or to leave at the office or something like that where it's not going to take up too much space. So if you guys are curious now about sea salt spray and where you can get some high quality sea salt spray that's made of natural ingredients, then I will leave a link in the description to Volt's surf salt spray page where you can go and read about it and all the ingredients and everything like that. Ultimately, in my opinion, surf salt spray is probably the best way to go if you need something to style your hair in a rush. That's because even if you just get out of bed and you don't have time to shower or anything like that, this works as a dry shampoo and it helps style and control your hair. And so you're definitely getting more than just the style benefit with sea salt spray. Not to mention it lasts all day long and you can control it all day long, but it will come out easily in the shower, so you don't have to worry about damaging your hair or leaving any salt residue or anything in there. It comes out right away. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe. We've got a ton more grooming content videos coming out for you, as well as some barbershop videos coming out for you, where they'll show you things like how to do skin fades or how to trim your beard a certain special way or anything like that. We've got a lot of cool content on the way for you guys. So if you have any questions or comments for us, leave them down in the description. We will be happy to answer them for you. And just thanks again so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.